to more algebra, lesson 8. So for the do now, we're going to be doing factoring with, we're going to be more factoring with variables. So we have 4 do nows. The first one is written here. Oh, all of them are written. Okay. So, can you join Jamboard so you can interact? Can you? Okay, thank you. So, we will begin with this question on the front page. So, 4aq minus 8a squared. How can you factor this out? How can you factor this out?
You have to find the greatest common factor for both of them.
Yes. So, what is the greatest common factor? Both of them.
2.
2?
It could be 4, and then you factor out 4 to 2.
There's no way to factor out 4 to 2. I'm not sure what you mean. 4 and 8, they're both multiples of 4. So I mean, you only need to factor 4. Because 4 and 8 have 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and 8. So the only and the greatest common factor they have is really 4. So 4x squared, x minus. Why are you using x? What's the variable in the problem? What is the variable in the problem?
A.
So why don't we use A instead of X? Okay, so that's good. I believe. Let us distribute it to make sure. 4a squared times a would be 4 a cubed. And then you subtract that from 4 times 2 is 8. So 8a squared. 4aq minus 8a squared, which looks to be our initial term. This looks to be our initial binomial. So that's how you factor the binomial out. So 2a squared plus a minus 6. She's doing this stuff on her iPad. She's going with the Jamboard on her iPad, so a squared plus a minus 6. So, how would you factor this out, first of all?
So you have 5 choices.
Number 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to frame 2.
You had to find the factors for negative 6. So here are the possible factors.
Okay, so good.
So negative 1, 6 gives you 5. 6, 1 gives you -5. -2, 3 gives you 1. And 3, 2 gives you -1.
Wait,
So since
so you're saying that the negative actually is going here. If you the negative actually going here if you want it to be -5.
oh, sorry, yeah.
And the negative goes here.
Anyways,
if you want
since
it to
none
be
of them are -6 doesn't equal to -6, you have to find the 2.
No, look. What is B? What is B in this case? What is B in this case?
Yeah, we have to find the sum
Wait,
that
yeah.
goes to.
So look.
That goes to
What
1.
is B? Yeah, so 1. So which sum adds up to 1? Which set of numbers adds up to 1?
As I was saying,
I couldn't hear you.
-2, 3 gives you +1, since the variable a equals to 1. So now you just do it this. Oh wait, sorry, it's not equal to 2, and a plus 3 is that.
Okay. So why don't you find the 2 possibilities for A? Why don't you find the 2 possibilities for A? Because somebody forgot to set everything to 0. So, what are the two possible values for A?
2 possible values.
0 and 1? How is 0 and 1? Okay. Let's look at this deeper. So, if this whole thing is equal to 0, one of these binomials must be equal to 0. So, we will find the 2 possible values for when each binomial is equal to 0. Say a minus 2 equal to 0, use the addition property, boom boom, a equal 2. And the same for the other binomial, a equal -3. So right there, what are the 2 possibilities over here in the green box? 2 and 3? It's not 3, it's -3. Have to use the subtraction property. Let's look at our third do now.
So far, so good.
So 2n squared minus 9n minus 5. So try to factor this out.
Which one? Number 3. Let's try.
2n squared minus 9n minus 5.
So you have to find the factor of 2n squared. The factors would be 2x.
Why are you using x? Why are you using x? X is some random variable with no correlation to n. So why are you using x?
N.
So you should be writing n.
There.
Okay, let's see what you have in mind.
And you have to find the factors of 5, negative 5. When you find the factors,
So
then
why
it
don't
gives
you
you
just,
both.
you have to multiply, so if you have to find the factors of both, how can you combine the two? Hint, it's not using addition. How can you combine the two? The operation starts with an M and ends with an N. And it's a basic arithmetic. It's a basic arithmetic operation. Starts with an M, ends with an N.
I'm not sure as much.
What starts with M and ends with N?
Scaffolding.
It
M,
starts with
multiplication. I said it was it was one of the basic.
You multiply.
No, you multiply 2 by the negative 5, and then you find the factors of the resultant number. I can't write anymore for some reason. Okay, there.
And then do you subtract negative 10 minus 1?
Wait, no. You have to find the factors of 10 that like satisfy the sum, or what you were saying in the previous.
So the answer is negative 9n, right?
Minus 9n? What? You have to find some, you just want me to solve it? I'm getting confused about what you're doing. You just have to multiply 2 by negative 5, not like in the problem. You just have to do it.
Fine,
So negative
just
10.
solve it. Just solve it.
I'm
Clear,
not
sir.
sure.
Clear the frame.
No, that will rate the problem.
You can write it again. Come on.
Okay,
That's not all wasting time.
there we go.
I can save the other down.
I think it's this. Nine and minus 5. I think it should be this. Not sure. Okay, yes. Minus 9. Minus 9. So, minus 5. Alright, minus 9. So, how would you solve this problem? First of all, you multiply A by C. So, A in this case is 2. C in this case is negative 5. So there's 2 right there. There's negative 5 right there. So we can multiply them to get negative 10. Now there were some factor pairs of negative 10. We have to find what factor pairs add up to negative 9. So it's clear there could be the negative 10 plus 1 because that adds up to negative 9. So I'm pretty sure that's the pair we need. So 2n squared minus 10n plus n minus 5. So that would be 2n. Ugh. 2n and minus 5 and then plus 1 and minus 5. So 2n plus 1 and n minus 5 set to 0. Okay, so 2n plus 1 equals 0. I want you to do at least some work because I'm doing all of it for you. So find n in the binomial 2n plus 1 is 0. Find n. I'm waiting. Okay, find n when 2n plus 1 is 0. Can you find it? Please?
Open.
Can you find n when 2n plus 1 is 0? I'm waiting for like 5 years.
One plus 1 equals to 0.
Find n here. Find n.
I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm waiting.
He said I'm not sure. How is it not negative? I know.
It can be negative. N can be negative. What reason is there that n can't be negative? There's no restraint here. N can be anything. So you need to find what n is in this scenario.
How come that problem is negative? Okay, it's fine.
What? What do you want me to do? Do I have to solve this for you? Do I really have to solve this?
Which one?
2n plus 1 equals...
Number 4?
No, 2n plus 1 equals 0. We're still on page 3. Trying to get you to find the one value of n. Trying to get you to find the value of n. Please. I really have to do this for you? Fine.
I mean, if you want.
You're not answering the question, so -1/2. N is -1/2. And for the other case, n is 5. Really had to solve that for you. Oh. No, we're not doing the exit clip. The lesson isn't over yet. The lesson is far from over. So let's go search up some more. So I think
What question?
what question are we on? 11, I'd say. If we're going
11.
if
Okay.
we're going in order, I'd say we're on 11. So, save the keyboard. Oh, wrong page. Yup. Okay. God. Okay. So, what does the following is a fact of the polynomial? Do you think? I think you can do this one.
Yes, if I have self-confidence.
You can do this.
So let's see. 15 and 18 both go to 3. 3 is a common factor for both of them. So let's put it as 3a. 15 divided by 3 gives you 5x plus 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. So it's 6y. Okay. So then 40 and 48, they both go. 8 is a common factor for both of them. Greatest common factor. So let's put A, B. And they both go to 15 and 5 and 6. So let's put 5x plus 6y. So then it would be 3a plus 8b and 5x plus 6y.
Great. So 3a plus 8. Okay. So which choice shows 3a plus 8b, 5x plus 6y? Which choice shows that?
A.